welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. It's just started raining, so we'll try and make this quick. This is, just come in, lovely Range Rover Sport Dynamic SE. This is a 2023 on a 23 plate, finished in the stunning Borasco Grey. This is a new colour to the range and it looks fantastic in the flesh. Full exterior black package, so all your grand black veneers, all your grills, they're in the gloss black. Got the gloss black mouldings on the bonnet, on the side vents, on your mirror caps, window surrounds, you've got privacy glass, full panoramic glass roof. Now, massive option on this one is the wheels. These are 22-inch alloys and they're a twin dual tone alloy, so they look fantastic. You've got the gloss black detailing with the satin grey. It looks ace in the flesh, it's not something that you see very often, quite a quirky thing. Bright red brake calipers within there as well. Coming through to the back, again, brown black veneers, follow through, nice lower diffuser, full 360 cameras on this one, blind spot monitoring, and then if you poke your head inside, look at that for fit and finish. Lovely sort of chromed black detailing, full leather multifunction steering wheel, virtual cockpit which is fully adjustable, nice big floating screen in the centre. On there's your sat nav, your DAB, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. These seats, all four seats, front and back, are heated steering wheel, fully electric. You can adjust the cushion, the bolsters, the seat base, the headrest to exactly the way that you want it. These are very, very smart vehicles. So, if you'd like anything further on this car, please do give us a call, 01942 231 123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. Well, thank you for watching and we look forward to your inquiry.